Welcome back to Family Fun Riddles. Today, we have 16 animal sounds for you to guess. Listen carefully, think fast, and shout out your answers before the timer ends. Are you ready? Let's start. Which animal makes this sound? It's a dog. Did you bark the answer out loud? Which animal is this? It's a frog. Jump to the next one. Which animal makes this sound? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Which animal is this? It's a cow. Did you guess it fast? Which animal makes this sound? It's a bird, singing a sweet song. Which animal makes this sound? It's an elephant, big and strong. Which animal is this? It's a duck. Did you flap your arms like wings? Which animal makes this sound? It's a bear, big and strong, but cuddly in cartoons. Which animal is this? It's a horse. Giddy up to the next one. Which animal makes this sound? It's a sheep, woolly and cute. Which animal is this? It's a snake. SS's. Did you get scared? Which animal makes this sound? It's a cat, cute and cuddly, right? Which animal makes this sound? It's a bee. BZZ. Careful, don't get stung. Which animal makes this sound? It's an owl. Did you get it right, night owl? Which animal makes this sound? It's a pig. Funny little snorts, right? Which animal makes this sound? It's a rooster. You are good. You're genius if answer correct. Awesome job. Animal experts. How many sounds did you guess correctly? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes and challenges. See you in the next video.